Hi! In front of me is TCL 205 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this smartphone. Firstly, just go into settings and tap on apps and notifications. Then choose notifications over here. Scroll down and click on See All from last 7 days. After that, tap on Most Recent and click on one of those options. Most Recent, Most Frequent or Turned Off. I will go with Most Frequent. And now, all you need to do is tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like Gmail. As you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the switcher again. But you can also just tap on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!